Hey, what up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to export your video in Premiere Pro. So inside we see that there's this blue box around this area. If I click here, it's now around here. If I click down here, it's here. And if I click here, it's here. So these are the four different areas or panels inside of our editing tab. In order for this to work, we have to be in this one or this tab right here. So my recommendation is always come in here to this tab. And there's two different ways. We can hit Command M, and Command M will automatically pull up this export window. Okay. The other way is to go up to File, down to Export, and then over to Media. And that will bring up the exact same thing as Command M. This Command M is just a faster way to get there. Inside here, we're going to change three different things. We're going to change the source range from sequence in out to entire sequence. We're going to come up here to the format and change it if you have it, maybe a QuickTime. We're going to make it say H.264. That's going to export it as an MP4 for us. And right here, this output name, we're going to double click on that blue thing, and that will pop up with a new window. This is where we rename it. How to export in Premiere Pro. And then we're going to put it on a desktop. We're going to find the location. Hey, look, how to export in Premiere Pro. In the event that I already have one, I'm going to make this number 2. And we're going to click Save. So I get a new name and the location. I click Save there. And it updates here. And then I click Export. Don't worry about any of the other settings. This is just a very basic, very simplistic way to get it done. And then when it's done, it will show up inside of our folder. And I'll show you that here in just a minute. All right, now that it is done, it shows up that it is successfully exported. Let's go over to our desktop and find it. So if we click on Finder and then over here, Desktop, we can go Date Modified, and it should be up at the very top. All right, how to export in Premiere Pro. There it is. We put a 2 next to it, hit spacebar, it will pop up. And there it is. There is our exported video.